Hey guys, you guys ready for a basic hamburger video? Let me tell you what brought this video on, okay? As you know, at my church, I volunteer every second Saturday, and we do a thing called Special Day for Special Kids. Kids who have special needs never get invited to birthday parties, they never get invited to anything. So our church puts on a big function every month, second Saturday of every month. So these special kids can show up on this special day, and there's blow-ups, and there's cupcakes, and there's pizza and salad, and there's tons of food, and there's a place for all the parents to sit and rest. We love it. It's called Special Day for Special Kids, every second Saturday. So there is one girl whose brother attends our event, and she always comes out, gives me a hug, says hi, and she watches the show all the time with her mom. But I'm not going to say her name, so to keep her privacy. But I said, what's your favorite food? She says, hamburgers with extra pickle. I'm like, really? I don't have the pickles yet, but I will have the pickles by the time this video is over. If I have to cut up some pickles, I'll do it. She likes extra pickle on her hamburgers. So I said, sweetie, I'm going to do a video for you, and it's going to be hamburgers with extra pickle. So that's what came up on why this video exists. I'm doing it for her. Of course, you're watching. So we're just having a little bit of fun, show a little bit of love. She's a real sweetheart. Her mom's awesome. Great family. So we're doing this video for her. She likes hamburgers with extra pickle. Get ready. Come on close. So growing up as a little kid, my mom said, best way to make hamburgers is treat it like meatloaf. Season it like meatloaf, put in ingredients like meatloaf, and then make hamburger patties and cook them up. So this is what I put in my meatloaf also. If you want this seasoning blend, you can have it. I've got basil and oregano. I got garlic and onion. I got a red onion to go on top of the burger. I got some cheese. I haven't decided whether I'm putting it on top of the burger or in the meat and mixing it in. I think I'm going to mix it in. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef chuck, 20% fat. I've got breadcrumbs. I got eggs. Tomato on top of the burger, lettuce because I don't use burger buns, but we're going to put it on leaves of lettuce. And then here's the pickle. These are bread and butter pickles. You can do any pickle you like. Now here's the catch. Half of the burgers are going to be chipotle ketchup. I got this chipotle ketchup at Urban Stack in Chattanooga when I did Burger Wars tour. I got this. This is going to be in the other half. This is Hamburger Heaven's. This is their version of ketchup. It's supposed to be really good. The guy said, try it out. You'll fall in love with it. So this is going to be in half. This is going to be in half. We're going to taste to see which one's better. So everything else is going to be included in both. So we're going to make a batch, split it in half, and put this in half of it, this in half of it. And then this is just to bind it. Make sure it stays together with the breadcrumbs. We got eggs that are going to be in there. So we don't want a loose mixture when we're making our patties. They start falling apart in the pan. And I am frying them up on a cast iron because it's 92 degrees outside, and I love you guys, but I'm not going outside. Now this is called the little bitter recipe. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. I'm just eyeballing it. Put in what you like, how you like it. Put in flavors you like. If I put something you don't like, leave it out. And then put in what you like, okay? So we got our meat in a bowl. Got 2 pounds. Take some cheese. I decided to mix my cheese in with the meat. Not a lot, just a little bit. You can always add more on top later. There we go. A little bit of cheese. And we're going to take, this is minced garlic. Put a little bit of that. All right, a lot of it. This is a little bit of onion powder. Take your 2 eggs, put those in. Some oregano. Some basil leaf. This is going to be for a binding agent. I'm going to leave that off to the side because when I add the ketchups, whether it's chipotle ketchup right here or the Hamburger Heaven ketchup, it's going to loosen it up, and I don't want that. So let's mix this all up. So you can take your hand, you can put a glove on if you want, whatever you want. I'm using my hand. Okay, this one's getting the Urban Stack Chipotle Ketchup, and you can buy this at the table when you go to Urban Stack. If you live in I think it's Chattanooga. I've been saying Chattanooga. What if it was like somewhere else? I don't know. So we're gonna add the Chipotle Ketchup in. We'll add in the Hamburger Heaven. It's called hamburger sauce. They sell it at Hamburger Heaven. If you live in Alabama, you can get there. So I got the Chipotle Ketchup in this one, the Hamburger Heaven in that one. I really wanted to barbecue these burgers, but I gotta tell you, it's 96 degrees outside now. It was 92 when I started filming, but it's jumped to 96 degrees. It's almost 100. I'm not going outside for nothing. It's horrible. So we're gonna fry these up in a cast iron right now, starting with the Chipotle Ketchup ones. Get your flame on. That's Chipotle Ketchup, and that's a patty with the Hamburger Heaven. They have cheese mixed in, seasonings mixed in, and Chipotle Ketchup in this one, Hamburger Heaven in that one. So let's give it a try. You guys ready? Okay guys, it's time for the final verdict. Let's give this a try, and then we'll show you how we make up our burgers, okay? With extra pickle, that's right. But first we're gonna taste them and find out which one's better, the Hamburger Heaven or the Chipotle Ketchup. Ooh, you can really taste it. That's the Chipotle Ketchup I just had. Alright, now let's try Hamburger Heaven. This just came off the pan. Which one's better? Chipotle Ketchup, Hamburger Heaven, Chipotle Ketchup. You can taste Hamburger Heaven. You can taste them both. They're both amazing. I call them equal. I'm not going to name a winner because that wouldn't be fair. They really are both just as good. Hamburger Heaven has a distinct flavor. Chipotle Ketchup has the Chipotle flavor. It's really good. So whatever ketchup, flavored ketchup you have, whether it's from either of those two restaurants, Hamburger Heaven or Urban Stack, you're not going to go wrong. Or if you want to make up your own Chipotle Ketchup, you can make it at home. But I have to say these both are great. Now let's get to making the hamburgers the way I eat them, okay? Come on in close again. Okay, it's time to prepare lunch. This is basically how we do hamburgers at my house. Since I haven't had bread in like, I don't know how long it's been since I've had a hamburger, but other than Burger Wars tour, but I don't normally eat hamburger buns. We use the romaine lettuce. So we lay out 2 pieces of romaine lettuce. Wait, here's a better one. Tammy always gets this beautiful romaine lettuce. Now, romaine lettuce breaks down, so don't put the ketchup on the lettuce. Put the ketchup on the burger, okay? So then we're going to take a patty. This is the Chipotle one. This is a Hamburger Heaven one. Now here's where you want to add a little bit of ketchup if you want some ketchup. Okay. Let me get the Hamburger Heaven one open, hold on. There we go. That's really good. Now you can put your stuff on. You get tomatoes. Get some onion. If you don't like onions, I get it. I'm totally cool with that. Some people love onions, some people hate onions. And right before you close this up, the most important part for my friend over at church, gonna get some heavy pickle on there. Put some extra pickles on there. I like the bread and butter pickles. You can do the dill pickles. You can do the Vlasic crunchy ones. You can do whatever you want. And you can get extra pickle at fast food joints. If you're driving through to tell them you want extra pickle, they'll put extra pickle on it. And then top it off with beautiful leaves of lettuce. You can put mustard on if you want, or mayonnaise, whatever you want. And this is the best way to have a burger. It's messier than if you had a bun, but it's more delicious. You get more of the flavor of the burger coming out without that bread weighing you down. So that is a bunless burger, and that's how we eat it in my house. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.